I heard about this Baptist guy named Bill. He used to like to sneak out to the horse races and bet. One day, after almost losing all of his money, he seen this Catholic priest walk out and bless one of the horses. That horse won first place. Then he blessed another horse. Sure enough, that horse won first place as well. So Bill went down to the ATM, took out all of his money, and watched the priest as he went over and blessed this horse. But this time, not only did he bless the horse, he touched his eyes, his ears, his legs. So, feeling confident, Bill bet all of his money. But then, in the middle of the race, the horse fell down dead. Bill couldn't believe it. He said to the priest, "What happened?" The priest said, "That's the problem with you Protestants. You don't know the difference between a blessing and your last rites." You're welcome. Look at how much snow there is. Holy stink. Oh my goodness. We spent the whole day outside cleaning up snow from the snowstorm. And now I'm going to be spending the evening in here cleaning up dust from sanding. So as much as I love the look of the drywall, it is a big, big mess. So most of the sanding has been done today, and there's like literally dust everywhere on everything. So I'm going around with the vacuum now and trying to just vacuum up most of it. I'm gonna have to probably dust pretty much everything in the kitchen and living room area. We did have a tarp over a lot of our furniture, which is good, and it's covered in dust. But just seeing like how much work and dust and stuff that's produced using drywall. For the rest of the house, we'll probably use boards. And then if we want to paint it to lighten it, we could just like paint it white or like gray or whatever colors. We'll probably just paint boards because that's a lot easier than doing this. And then the cleanup afterwards. If it's a house that has nothing in it, like a new build, obviously it'd be easy and great. But when we're living in here with all of our stuff in here, it's a ton of work and a ton of mess to clean. So I gotta get vacuuming. Our tarped stuff, see the tarp's just like covered in stuff. The floors. My vacuum's not very good. I may need to invest in a new one. window ledges. Like, it's just such a mess. I already started cleaning over here. That's what I got up so far. Even like my microwave. Even my microwave. Jay. The walls look good though. So that's awesome. Can't wait to start painting them. So while I wait for the other walls to be done, I'm just painting this OSB here black, like I showed you previously. So I've come quite a ways. I've left down here just like that because it's all going to be covered with trim anyway. So there's no point in wasting my time painting it when it's just going to be trimmed out. It'll probably come up to here or so. But anyway, we're using like 4-inch trim. So just kind of leaving that, and same with along the tops here. This part my ladder had moved yesterday with the drywall shuffling, so I had to bring it back and just touch up right here. Move the ladder back. So I've been working at that, and it really sucks the paint up, that's for sure. My land sakes alive. I could have primed it or something, but I didn't. So now it just really sucks up the paint. It's coming along. I'm on my second little jar of it. My paint closer, brought to you by Jeremy. This is a shirt he had bought in the summer for a lumberjack day. Doesn't really fit him too well, so cut the sleeves off, and now it's mine. Now it's my painting shirt. I like painting, but I look forward to this wall being done just because it really soaks up the paint, and then being like the OSB, you gotta make sure you're getting all those tiny little cracks. So I look forward to moving over to the drywall in a few days, getting that done instead. So again, the color of this wall is ash. It's not actually black. It's like a really dark gray, and it's going to be trimmed out with pine along the top on all the seams. So there'll be a lot of pine to break up the dark color, so it'll look really good with, it won't be too much dark. Again, 4-inch trim on the top, 4-inch on the bottom, and then on the seams here, over on this side on the seams, they'll be trimmed out. So it'll just be a little bit of black, and then we're going to add some white paintings that we have, and we're going to put them on this wall. So it'll look really cool. Work in progress. Just ordered this back rack now from Princess Auto online. And it just came in the mail, so that's real cool. It looks awesome so far, putting it together. It's going to be super handy in the back of the truck because we often have to go all the way to Fredericton, which is over an hour away, to get propane for our cook stove and our hot water heater. So we'll actually be able to strap the propane tanks to the back of this, which is going to be super convenient for a long drive, and then many other things. And then the shipping was $100 off on Princess Auto online. I don't know if they're still doing it because I ordered it a few weeks ago, but if you guys are interested in anything from Princess Auto, they may still have $100 off shipping prices. So that was really awesome because it wasn't cheap to ship this because it's quite heavy. As long as you spend up to $50, and this was definitely more than $50, so they cover $100 of free shipping. So it's cool. Check it out if you're interested. Anyway, I'm excited to put this together and give it a go. And then we'll head to Fredericton probably here shortly. And, well, I mean, sometime in the next few days and get some propane. Cool.
Done.
Done. Yeah. Looks like a real truck now.
That's sweet. I like that.
Yeah.
Gonna come in handy, and it looks cool.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready to go. You want the drill?
Yeah.
They just brought all this stuff out. So far it seems super easy to put together. Want me up there? You ready to drill? Want me to hold it or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Hopefully.
Huh?
Hopefully. Hey, before you screw it in, do these things here need to be tightened?
No.
Some bolts at the back?
No.
They're just dangling?
No. They're actually supposed to be left like that.
Okay then.
So you can adjust it if you have to.
Okay.
Like you can slide it either way you want
Yeah.
to even it out.
Oh, okay.
And then you tighten it. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Ow. Hit my arm into that pretty good. Be cool. We can put a light bar on that.
Yeah, that would
I
look
want
nice.
one on there, especially out here with the.
And moose and stuff.
Yeah, it's common around here. We want one for a while. It'd be so cool to have it up there.
Oh yeah, be awesome.
And it'd be super handy driving around.
That'll be the next thing we have to order.
Yeah, we do.
Right. Princess Auto probably sells those, eh?
Yeah, they sell those, yeah.
Nice.
Seems pretty tight. It's probably all right. Well, we got her all on. We've been wanting one of these for a while. We're going to put a light bar up here because driving out here, we get about 15 miles of straight road of lots of moose and bear and stuff. You can see at night, and there's no street lights or nothing, so that'll come in handy. It'd be cool too. But I like it. Been wanting that. Can tie it to lots of stuff. Pretty cool. And it went in pretty easy. Just 4 bolts. 4 bolts. I had to drill a couple holes. Not hard. Looks deadly. Well, there we go.
Yeah, the yard's cleaned up from all the snow. The walls are basically almost ready to be primed.
He's coming today. He just circled a few spots that he just sorted out last night, and he'll be here maybe a half hour, and that'll be it. And we'll be ready.
Ready to prime them and then paint them.
Yeah.
It's good. It's a long process, that drywall.
That's exciting to paint her though, and get it, trimmed out, paint it, trimmed, all that stuff. It'll look
Floor, that'll be nice. And the black wall's almost ready to be trimmed. So that's good too.
Yeah.
And now we got the back rack on, so we're good.
It's gonna be nice to get the flooring down.
Yeah, it's gonna
Got
look some
plans-
sharp.
Got plans for the kitchen. We'll tell you about that. Lots of stuff. It's really warm. It's February 4th today, and we're standing out here. It's +1 Celsius, so it's like, I don't know, 33 or 34 degrees. That's insane. That's
Pretty awesome.
That's not normal around here. We'll probably be tapping maple trees early.
Yeah, I think so this year. Definitely. It's been a way warmer winter than normal.
Only a couple storms. There's only a couple feet of snow on the ground. We probably got a foot of snow this last one, but
Yeah.
we got, like a month between storms? Normally it's like, boom,
back to back.
few a week, right? We get, I don't know, 15 to 20 feet is the annual snowfall around here, so it's nowhere near that this year.
No. It's been a good year.
I think the groundhog didn't see a shadow too. That was on the 2nd.
Oh, was it?
So that means that the winter's short, I think.
Oh, nice. Bonus.
If he sees a shadow, it's the opposite. It's actually a little longer.
Okay. Well, sounds good.
I'm going to base it off him.
Yeah. We'll be back outside before we know it.
That's a 100% fact.
Yeah.
I base my life off of the groundhog and the farmer's almanac.
Oh, yeah.
And then throwing branches on the ground. Right? And
Yeah.
how they land. You see how these are spread out under the tree like this? That's how a farmer's almanac guy would come along here and figure out how hot it's going to be in the summer this year.
Yeah.
Well, all right.
Anyway.
We're going to take that rack for a test drive on the road.
Yeah. Should be good.
Yeah.
See you in the next one.
See ya.